Hi folks, this is Eggtree Fruit, and in the beautiful Dayak village of Long Tunggu, I found those beautiful eggplants. Long Tunggu is an inland Dayak village in the interior of North Kalimantan in the Indonesian part of Borneo. 4 hours of grueling bus ride, mostly through unpaved roads, although inside the village the roads are good again. And I came here for rare fruits, mostly for rare durians, but after they told me the season is not here yet, I decided I'll eat eggplant instead. This eggplant does not look so dissimilar to some I tried to raise over 40 years ago as a kid. Back then they were selling them, well, the German word for eggplant is aubergine, and they're usually big and black or purple, and they were selling this as egg tree, literally, because small round white fruits grow on it. I didn't manage to grow it, but I managed to taste those unusual eggplants back then 40 years ago. And now here I found them again. After Germany, I found them in the not very well explored interior of Kalimantan. As you can see, the eggplant is rather an egg tree here, because there are no winters here. It's several years old. The same thing happens, of course, with this little chili tree here. And now let's see. The old guy who allowed me to pick them, and I paid him generously for them, said that the orange ones are not good. Oh, wherever you are filming, you are being filmed. Every little kid with a little cell phone filming like crazy. Yeah, I'm the first white man to ever show up in this village, and so... Oh, how do I even pick those? Let's see. Different colors. Suda bayar. Suda. Oh, not so easy. Okay, with the universal tool of this island, the parang, everything is possible. I asked this man if there is a special word for it. He said, no, it's terong. That's the name for all eggplants. Bos, ini terlalu masak? Tidak enak? Tidak enak. Wait, let's not cut our fingers. Ini putih enak. Yeah? Okay, so the white ones are good. The already purple ones are not. I want another one that's in between. And then I'll take a couple white ones. Here is a whole bunch. Oh yeah, let them drop. Let them fall. And one more. Oh, don't. It seems chopping them off with the parang kinda works better. I think I have enough fruits now. Let's collect them, and let's find somebody who will pahit. Oh, Itu pahit? Itu muda sama pahit? Sama. Oh, my driver tells me they are all bitter. However, the locals say the young ones are actually sweet. Well, we'll put this to the test. Now we just need to find a volunteer to cook them for me.
Ini terong di kebun.
Di kebun, tidak terong hutan. Dari mana?
Ada di kebun banyak.
Ini terong Dayak atau terong
hutan? Terong hutan ini.
Okay, so my driver from the coast says it's a jungle. It's a jungle eggplant. The locals say no. It's definitely just a garden eggplant. And while I'm continued being while I'm continuing to be filmed, first I'll try some of them raw.
Dimasak.
The unripe one is very tough, but it is not bitter. The half-ripe one even tougher, and it tastes oily. Tastes like the fruits of the oil palm. Now the very overripe one.
Woman ngong bulan mata. Itu.
There is not even enough space for all the phones of people who want to film me.
Terong hutan ini, terong hutan.
Maybe this has a trace of
Manis,
of bitterness.
manis.
Tidak manis, tidak pahit. Not sweet, not sour. Sedikit sama kelapa sawit. It's a little bit like
Jangan makan kelapa sawit mentah.
it's a little bit like oil palm fruit. Bu, boleh goreng ini? Bu, boleh goreng terong ini? Silakan.
Potong-potong dulu.
Potong-potong dulu.
Ya.
Oh, the wok is full.
Buang tangkai.
Di mana goreng?
Di kompor.
Bis jam 2:30. Okay.
Yes.
In half an hour my bus is leaving. Here is my bus driver. So the eggplant must be fried and eaten before that. My idea was to fry them in oil, but he's boiling them in water. Itu air.
Ya, campur
Air
sudah.
dulu.
Lihat,
Air dulu.
minyak.
Minyak nanti.
Minyak sudah.
Ah,
Minyak
sudah.
dulu. Ya, baru bawang.
Aha,
Bawang
okay.
baru air.
Baru air.
Ya.
So apparently he was frying them and then later he added water. Well, let him cook. Masak
Ya,
sudah?
Cari itu. Kan ada sini.
Okay, most of the water has disappeared. Let's see. I'm really curious. The final result. It seems they put onions. I guess they put salt. Was this even intentional? Seems to be an onion skin. Okay. So first let's try a very unripe white one. Apparently this is how you're supposed to eat an eggplant. When it looks like a chicken egg. Like a nice white chicken egg. It has turned soft. There is a trace of bitterness in it. Also the ripe ones, they don't look that orange anymore. Bu, buah oren, buah mazak ada dalam? Itu? Buah oren mazak itu sama dalam?
Ya, sama.
Terima kasih. Okay, so he says that the very ripe fruits are also inside, so they are losing some color. Yeah, not bad. Enak. The skin is still quite tough, but the rind underneath and everything else has softened up. Also, they taste quite dry and starchy, despite being literally drowned in their own sauce. Yeah, they taste salty and oniony. Nice stuff. Is it better than the eggplant we usually use in the West? I would say no. Is it better than the long eggplants which are so popular in Malaysia and also known around here, I would also say no. But it adds another dimension to the possibilities for eggplants. Anjing, mau makan?
Tidak mau.
Tidak mau.
Tidak mau.
Anjing tidak makan.
Tidak.
Let's see.
Dia makan uang.
Tidak makan buah.
Tidak.
Okay, the bigger dog. It seems the dogs don't like it. Just half an hour ago you ate my durian seeds and now you don't like the tasty eggplant, or maybe it's just too hot. It seems it likes to eat it, but it's too hot. So an interesting dry eggplant. If you want a dry eggplant, take some of those small ones. Not bad. Not bad at all. Tell me what you think about those small eggplants, folks. Apart from that, stay tuned for a lot more fruit videos from the beautiful and incredibly fruit-rich state of North Kalimantan. And of course, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.